Excuse me. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And today, we'll be playing some Crossing Dead that's on the Fire Stick. It's free. And, someone decided to do some gameplay. Don't mind the stuff over there. Pretty messy, but, I'm getting it situated. Crossing Dead. Alright. This is part 1. If you guys want to see, well, hopefully, with the series. Woohoo! It's gonna do. Bop. No. I just want to leave. Only use our ammo if it's necessary. We don't use it just to be annoying. We save up our ammo. Like that zombie right there, he's minding his business. But that zombie, I was about to say, that zombie's gonna get hit by the car. Just pointing over there. Alright. Let's go. Alright. I can't go back! I was no. This is stupid. Now it's working. What type of? Oh, he's sweet. All right, this leg right here. Bop. Right. What? I'm done with this stupid. Oh, alright, I'm alright. Alright. I just had to drink some water. Let's see what this is. Okay, I can already tell that I'm gonna get a grandma skin just by looking at that walker. Okay. Only use ammo. Why am I stuck in a situation right now? Oh! Guys, I wasn't even screaming. I wasn't even scared. What is this? I want to go back for that rocket launcher. Let's go. Bop! Oh. Die! Bop! Boop! Boop! Why? Alright. This weapon, this baby right here, give me some money. Bop. But that's still in him? Oh my god. No! Well, let's go. That's why I always save up my ammo. I got stuck in that type of situation. Alright, I'm done having my little tantrum like a little baby man. So I will not scream. So excited! No! Freaking. All right. Don't mind that. Anyway, you guys can see that. No! Stand back, you monkey man! This is so much anxiety. That guy got bodied. Stand back! Don't jump on me. Okay, no more tantrums. No more tantrums. No more. We don't want any more tantrums. Right? No more whining. No more crying. Except for killing. That's nice. Oh my god. I can't. Somebody help me. Please. Help some. Why do they all look like me? No, they don't. They don't all look. That was one shot. I needed more ammo. If that was slow, some people won't walk. Hey guys, I wasn't screaming, guys. I wasn't screaming. And was it? Let's say that I screamed, but I didn't. I don't even know if anybody's ever watching my videos, but be fast. Gotta be fast. Sonic, 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 Sonic. I have an Xbox. Pretty sure you guys already knew that. Woohoo! Woo! Woo! Okay. Okay, I think that's the end of part 1. Sorry, I'm over here drinking my water. Anyway, that's the end of part 1. Hope you guys, like this video. Comment down below. I don't know. Say how your day has been, something. Alright, bye. I'm gonna just end this video.